Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how to add text to your TradingView chart. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your TradingView chart, then go to this T icon here. Click on it, and you can choose the place where you want to add your text. So let's say for example here, click on it and type anything you want. So for me, I will type for example FVG, okay, like this. Now we have here some settings. Click on the gear icon. You can change the font size from here or from here. Okay. Also from here, you can change the font size, as you can see. You can change its place. Just click on it like this, and you can change it to another place. You can lock it if you want, so you can't move it. We have here also the text color. You can also change it, for example, to green. You can give it a background. Just click on the gear icon, go to background, check on it here, and you can choose the color you want. So I will choose, for example, red, and I will change the opacity like this, as you can see. This is not a good color, as you can see, so I will change it, for example, to white, like this. Let's make it bigger. Okay. Now, if you want to remove it, just click on the trash icon, like this. Click on remove theme. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.